How to remove followers on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to remove followers on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Here we should tap on our followers at the top. And in the parent menu we see the whole list of our followers. If you want to remove some of them, just click remove near the username. And that's all. It was how to remove followers on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.